Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. I'm gonna be making some delicious cookies, oatmeal cookies with walnuts. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Okay, so let me just get my bowl. I melted the butter. So to the butter, I'm going to combine, okay, these are the ingredients that we need for our cookies. We need ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of each of those, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is my cinnamon. 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, room temperature, 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of oatmeal, and dry oatmeal, and 1/2 cup of coconut flakes, and then you've got your semi-sweet milk chocolate morsels. You can also use the butterscotch morsels as well, and I'm also going to be adding some walnuts that I've already put in the bag and chopped up. Okay, so first of all, we're going to add our vanilla to we're going to do our wet ingredients first. So we're going to crack this egg. All right, so next we're going to grab our fork and we're going to stir this together. Stir it all together like this. Mix it well. Okay, next we're going to be adding our dry ingredients. So I'm going to add my flour. I'm going to be adding my sugar, white sugar. I'm going to be adding my cinnamon. That's going to make it spicy. And nutmeg. And a little bit of salt and baking soda. Nutmeg. I'm going to be adding my brown sugar. I'm going to be adding my coconut. Okay, next I'm going to be adding my oatmeal. Next, I'm going to be adding my nuts. And then finally, we're going to add our chips, our chocolate chips, morsels. As you may want to call them morsels. And then we're going to mix this all together. Just stir it all together. You can see me stirring. Move my bowl back a little bit. Stir it all together. This looks like it needs some water or something because it's not really mixing well. It's my first time trying this recipe. Okay, I added about 1/2 cup of water to this recipe because those cookies were just looking too dry. The cookie mix was just looking too dry for me. Now this looks a whole lot better. So just add 1/2 cup of water that was left out of the recipe for some reason. Didn't make sense to me, but hey. Okay, now this looks better, a lot better. Just make sure you stir it well. I hope it doesn't come out and be a big glob of nothing when I put it in the oven. may just turn into a flat glob. So we'll see. We shall see. Okay, next thing to do, grab your cookie sheet. Make some room. Grab your cookie sheet. And you just gonna drop some spoonfuls right onto, rounded spoonfuls right onto the cookie sheet. Space them apart in case they do flatten out. It won't be a big mess. And however you want, how big you want your cookies will be determined by how much you put on their cookie sheet. But I want to make them as round as possible because it's going to flatten out when it cooks. Okay, that one right there. And one more maybe. One more here. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven, bake it. I'm going to bake it until golden brown, about 9 to 11 minutes on 350 degrees. Okay, let's go to the stove. Okay, guys, I took the cookies out of the oven, and this is how they turned out. So let's do a taste test. Let's taste one of them. Mmm, that is so good. Let me just see if I can get this off this. I didn't grease my cookie sheet, so it's sticking. But I'll be careful to take them off. Y'all, that's some good cookies. Full of chocolate. Full of chocolate. More chocolate and coconut. That is delicious. Excuse me while I eat. That's so good. Thank y'all for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Bye. Bon appetit.